Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a previously recorded iPhone test and play it back remotely in a simulator in the cloud. The first step to do that is to set up your asset so that it points to Sauce Labs, which hosts the emulators in the cloud. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that project. So when or this config, and when you set up your asset for this particular config, when you click the add icon at the bottom here, and you make a mobile asset, you're going to want to select the Sauce Labs session. So I've done that already. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and what you'll see here is give it any name that's useful to remember. I'm still going to use iOS. I'm going to use the iPhone simulator running on 6.1. So I'm still going to point it to the application I want to load onto those simulators. Now the difference is when you make a Sauce Labs asset, you get a couple of additional fields. So you have your login to Sauce Labs. So you will need an account set up ahead of time. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and you get a unique access key to run your test in their cloud. So that's all set. So make sure that is active. And then once you do that, go ahead and open up the test you want to run. So this test I'd made in a previous video. So I'm going to open up Lisa's test runner and go ahead and just hit play. So now what you won't see is there won't be any local simulator starting up. Instead, the tests are going to run completely remotely, so nothing is actually running on my local workstation. So now to see what's actually happening, we can log into the website. So I've already logged in here to saucelabs.com. So I'm going to refresh. And we can see a test is running, so we can actually watch the screencast of this test running. Again, this is an emulator running on their labs, their workstation. So this is a live screencast, and at the same time, you can see that Lisa's still running the test executions here. Okay, now the test is completed. So as you can see so now the test is finished, and what we'll have is we actually can now they actually have a full video capture well that you could go ahead and play back if you'd like. So this is a movie they've captured and stored on their in their cloud storage. So we could actually maybe skip through and see how the test had run. So you do have that screen capture. And also you get confirmation by just looking at the different test runs that have occurred. So as you can see, this test running on a Mac 10.8, iOS 6.1 has complete. And that's it. And that concludes running a iPhone test on a remote simulator in Sauce Labs.